Like the previous speakers, your apology is really genuine. Because after you left here, you went to media houses and said you'll only come back here if we stop calling you a sellout, a thug, a spy, and all manner of things. And that was after you left, where you had an opportunity to self-reflect. You didn't do that. And I don't blame you. It is in the nature of who you are, a typical white male who feels is superior than the rest of us. And you displayed it here the same way you displayed it every day, the same way your subjects and targets for investigations in their majority were black males in the senior positions, because we have no regard for black people. And you looked at us here and said, no, none of these people is going to tell me anything. And that's what makes the allegations that we wanted to overthrow the state more legitimate. Because what you did that day was to overthrow the legitimacy of Parliament. You were eroding the authority of Parliament. And had we not taken a firm stand, this Parliament was going to be rendered useless and toothless because of you. And if this Parliament is not going to act on you so that no molecule after you comes to repeat what you did, no one must ever, ever come to this Parliament and behave the way you behaved. And we can only do that if we act on you and act on a white male who behaves like he's untouchable. Then everybody else will know that that Parliament will bite you if you go there and undermine it. And with those few remarks, Chair, the EFF reject your apology. It's not an apology. It's an afterthought of a racist that wanted to undermine the authority of a democratic institution called Parliament. And you wanted to erode its authority, and you successfully failed. Because we'll never allow that. We're not going to allow that white males must continue to do what they've been doing previously during apartheid government. You displayed white arrogance, white supremacy, and we watched it in action. And you need to know that that which you did reflects exactly what happened at Flag Plus. And you confuse this Parliament to be like a Flag Plus, as if you didn't go is in charge and we are subjects and arrested in that farm. We're not in a farm here. We're elected by our people. Whether you like it or not, you have an obligation to respect the will of the people, because this Parliament is the will of the people. So you must find it in you that the new South Africa does not have a room for that kind of behavior of white males